Hey guys, Novos12 here. Today I have a 42-inch Moss HS series. This fan is in my garage, and it's a pretty decent performer. It's 42 inches, and I got it all cleaned up. So I don't know how well the camera's gonna go with this because it's kind of right next to a light. So Anyway, here it is. Low speed. It's not a very convenient tripod angle. I got this thing at Habitat like a really long time ago. Like back when they had their old location open. Probably 5 years ago. Maybe 4 years. I don't know. Still works pretty well though. The motor's nothing to, write home about. Medium. This fan's close mount only. Kind of plugged into an outlet. That's the same outlet that the light's plugged into, so it's kind of close to the light, but not that close. Right, here's high. As expected, it was a decent amount of air for a 42-inch fan. I'm gonna regret this. Crap. Kicking my tripod on accident. Yeah. It blows a pretty good amount of air, so anyway. Thanks for watching, and sneak peek, that's the next video. Alright, anyway, hope you enjoy.